Oh yeah, I'm even doing good too.
It's because she's there.
The French fries are done, Maddie.
Yeah.
Just so you know.
She's just staring at you. Well, now she's staring at the camera. She's doing a weird face, but.
She likes music. She likes sitting up.
And she's being rocked as well.
She loves being held. So she's getting all the things that she likes.
Oh, it's so cute. Her hat's fallen though. I think that's making her upset.
Hat's falling.
You should let her help.
Were you wrong, Kylie?